Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to Love and Life Together, your home for all things weddings and building a beautiful life. You know I'm all about manifesting those couple goals. And what's more exciting than planning a wedding? There's so many moving parts, and it's easy to get caught up in the big picture. You know, like finding the perfect dress, booking your dream venue. But trust me, it's the little things that can really make or break your day. Planning a wedding? Then listen up, because today we're talking about 25 little details that couples forget all the time. And trust me, forgetting some of these can turn your big day into big chaos. So grab your wedding planner, your bestie, and let's make sure you're totally prepared to say "I do" without a hitch. You'd be surprised how many couples forget to bring this. Without it, your wedding's just a party. Photographers, videographers, planners, they're working tirelessly all day long. Don't forget to order vendor meals for them. Sewing kit, stain remover, bobby pins, mints, pain relievers. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later for being prepared. Chapter 4. Your bridesmaids and groomsmen need to know where to be. Print it out, group chat it, whatever works. Chapter 5. Especially if your ceremony and reception are at different locations, don't leave your guests or yourselves stranded. Plan ahead. Chapter 6. A beautiful way to capture heartfelt memories and messages from your cherished loved ones. Chapter 7. A little thank you goes a long way. Thank you notes. Pre-write these for your vendors and helpers. It's a small gesture that truly goes a long way. Chapter 8. A token of appreciation. Don't forget wedding favors. Plan a little token of appreciation for your guests. Chapter 9. The backup plan. For outdoor weddings, use tents, umbrellas, or an indoor alternative. Chapter 10. You'll be on your feet all day, so have a comfy pair ready for the reception. Chapter 11. Always keep a detailed list of all your vendors and their contact information handy for quick reference. Chapter 12. Ensure all vendors are paid and tipped. Avoid dealing with this on your wedding day. Chapter 13. Guide your guests' ceremony programs. They help guests follow along and know what to expect during the event. Chapter 14. A special moment, the ring box. A beautiful and elegant way to present your rings during the ceremony. Chapter 15. The reception playlist. Ensure your DJ or band knows your must-play and do not play songs. Chapter 16. Point guests in the right direction. Signage. Guide your guests with clear and beautiful signs. Chapter 17. Picture perfect your must-have photo list. Make sure to give your photographer a detailed list of must-have shots for your special day. Chapter 18. The sweetest moment, cake knife and server. Don't forget these essential tools for the cake cutting ceremony. Chapter 19. Special glasses for your first toast as a married couple. Cheers to a lifetime of happiness and love. Chapter 20. Arrange shuttles or ride shares for guests who need it. Ensure everyone gets there in style and comfort. Chapter 21. Stocked with essentials like mints, hairspray and safety pins. Little luxuries for your wedding guests to enjoy. Chapter 22. Fun for all ages childcare. Provide a babysitter or kids area for guests with children. This ensures everyone enjoys the celebration. A family-friendly wedding is a happy wedding. Chapter 23. Set the mood lighting. Ensure your venue is well lit for both photos and ambience. Proper lighting can transform the entire atmosphere. Chapter 24. Straight from the heart, personal vows. If you're writing your own vows, remember to bring them with you. Chapter 25. Breathe, relax, enjoy. Schedule downtime to relax and enjoy the day. So now you know. These 25 small details might not seem major, but they can seriously impact your big day. You deserve a wedding that's nothing short of amazing. Remember, it's all about being prepared. Bookmark this video, share it with your maid of honor, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we're all about helping you plan the perfect wedding. Tons of tips and tricks are coming your way to make your wedding planning journey a breeze. Until next time, keep planning, keep thriving, and remember, it's not just about the day. It's about the life you're building together, sending you so much love.